Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to learn a new big friend addition formula. Big friend addition of 6 in a very simple and easy way. Now first of all we need to understand why do we need to learn big friend addition of 6. Let us understand with the help of these two examples. The first one, it says 4 plus 6. I have 4 here. I add 4. I need to add 6 more. I can only add 5. I cannot add 6. There are no lower beads left. So I cannot do this. Okay, let's try the next one. 9 less 5. 9 less 5. I can do it. Yes. Add 6. Now can I add 6 again? No, I can only add 5. I cannot add 6 directly. So, to solve these type of questions, we need to learn big friend addition of 6. First, let us find out who is the big friend of 6. Now here I have 6 fingers. How many more fingers do I need to make it 10? 1, 2, 3, 4. I need 4 more fingers to make the total 10. So, who is the friend of 6? The friend of 6 is 4. Big friend of 6 is 4. I can also say 4 is the big friend of 6. How will I write the statement? The formula to add 6. Do you remember the boss number? The big friend, the boss is 10. The boss number is 10. So add the boss and less the friend of 6. Who's the friend of 6? 4. Now we got the formula for big friend addition 6. Now using this formula, let us solve these two questions. First one, 4 add 6. Add 4 here. Add 6 is add 10 less 4. Add 10 less 4. My answer is 10. Next, 9 less 5. 9 less 5. Add 6. Add 6 again. Add 10 less 4. Add 10 less 4. My answer is 10. To help us understand this better, let us solve few more questions based on this big friend addition of 6 formula. First one, 3 add 1 add 6. So 3 add 1 add 6. Add 6 is add 10 less 4. My answer is 10. Next, 2, 7, 6. 2 add 7. We can do it directly. Yes. Add 6. Add 10 less 4. My answer is 15. Next, 9, 6, 3. 9 add 6. Add 6 is add 10 less 4. Add 3. My answer is 18. Next, 6, 3, 6. 6, 3, 6. Add 10 less 4. My answer is 15. Next, 9 add 6, add 2. 9, add 6. Add 6 is add 10 less 4 and add 2. My answer is 17. Okay, next one. 19, add 6 less 5. 19, add 6 is add 10 less 4 and less 5. My answer is 20. Next one. 23, add 1, add 6. 23, add 1, add 6 is add 10 less 4. My answer is 30. Next. 56, add 3, add 6. 56, add 3, add 6. Add 6 is add 10 less 4. My answer is 65. Next one. 39 less 5. 39 less 5. Add 6. Add 10 less 4. My answer is 40. Next one. 83 add 1. 83 add 1. Add 6. Add 6. Add 10 less 1. My answer is 90. I hope you're confident and have understood when and how to use big friend addition of 6 formula. If you have found any value from our channel and this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will help us grow. Stay tuned for more updates, as in the next video, we will be learning big friend addition of 5. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing and keep mastering the technique of abacus with Fatima.